Vodafone Idea is the next one, an interesting one. Neha from Bengaluru wants to know if she can continue to hold this for the next 2 to 3 months. I'll not take the fundamental view, Prashant, because there's lots happening in the space. But Saumil, would you recommend on the charts to continue to hold for the next 2 to 3 months?
No, absolutely not. In the very short term, yes, probably there could be a spike, but there's too much of uncertainty and a lot of volatility on the charts as well. Very crucial supports around 10.20, 10.20, and another support around 970. If you have position, then exit below 970.
The next one that's coming in is on Premier Energies. It's a stock that's been in focus all this week. Prashant, Harsh has bought it at 985. So he's sitting on a loss because he's almost holding 210 shares. It's trading at 721. Your view on Premier Energies, and if it's one of those picks from the renewable energy solar space for you?
I think yes, but again, for a shorter period of time, I'm not expecting good numbers in terms of industry growth as well as the Q3 earnings. But yes, I think if he has added at a very higher level, I think 700, 720 can be a good range to again accumulate the stock, but again behave like a long-term investor. At least 2 to 3 years should be your view. Then I think cost of buying, some kind of profit can be expected.
Okay, all right. So that's the view coming in on Premier Energies. But it's time for our second rapid fire round. Today's Ask Profit was slightly curtailed because of news flow coming in. So we try to answer as many queries as possible in this rapid fire round. The first question that we have is on CG Power for the next 3 years. Vani wants to know if she can continue to hold the counter or not. Prashant, your view?
Yes, continue to hold positive.
Nippon Life AMC, Sankar Narayanan is holding at 844. He's a long-term investor. Prashant, should he continue to hold?
Yes, average and continue to hold long.
Okay, Inox Wind, Vishwanath Nair wants to know if he can continue to hold the counter from a short-term perspective. Saumil, your view on the charts?
No, absolutely exit. Negative view on the stock.
Transrail bought at 692. He's asking a short-term view. Saumil, any quick one on this one?
Negative view again. I have a target of around 480 for this one on the downside.
Okay, Sterling and Wilson purchased at the levels of 270. Average, hold or sell from a long-term perspective. Prashant, your view?
Exit the stock right now.
Sada Energy is the other one. Saumil, a 3 to 6 month view. Our viewer Vinod has bought it at 524.
Sarda Energy, I'm negative on the stock, so exit.
Okay, PNB Housing, the next one. Kirtana from Bengaluru wants to know if she can continue to hold the 15,000 shares that she has from 2 to 4 weeks perspective. Saumil, on the charts?
Positive on the stock, but keep a very strict stop loss around 910.
Supriya Life Science, Prashant, Sriram has bought it at 319. A quick view?
Positive on the stock, continue to hold.
Okay, the next one is on SBI from a long-term perspective, 3 to 5 years. Venkata wants to know whether he can continue to hold or not. Prashant, your view?
Continue to hold long.
The next one's on Cello, and it's a counter that's underperformed massively. Renew's bought at 593. Should she buy more right now, Prashant?
Average more at this point of time, be like a long-term investor.
Okay, Railtel is the next one. Ahmed from Delhi wants a 6 months view on this one. Saumil, on the charts?
Negative on the stock. I'll be expecting a target of around 310, 315.
A short-term view on Trent as well. Saumil, our viewer Govind has bought at 4851.
Negative on the stock in the very short term. I'll be expecting a target of around 3,770.
Okay, LIC is the next one. Narasimha Reddy wants to know if he can continue to hold from a long-term perspective or not. 910 is his buying price. Prashant, your view?
Exit.
Jain Irrigation, Ashok has bought it for the last 5 years and been holding out at 79. Prashant, it's at 38 now. What should you do?
Exit the stock.
Okay, Hitachi Energy is the next one. Mahalakshmi has been holding since January 24. She wants to know whether she can go ahead and book profits or not. Saumil, on the charts?
Has broken very crucial levels. Negative on the stock. 16,500 would be the next target.
Transformers and rectifiers, Prashant, any suggestion to buy at the current price is the question. What would you recommend?
Average at this point of time, hold for long term.
Good. Well, viewers, that was the last query on this edition of the Rapid Fire Round, as well as for Ask Profit.